I forgot to turn on my lights. That's why I'm redoing this video. In the beginning, I'm like trying to figure out what looks different on the viewfinder, and I couldn't figure it out. But after I filmed it, I realized that I don't have my lights on. So here I am doing this again. Today I am doing a haul from HEYS, and this is a brand that was started in Canada, and usually we know them for doing luggages, but they also started the doing masks as well. So, or they have that area there where they do have that area where you can buy masks and hand sanitizers as well. And since they have the summer sale, it was 20% off. I went ahead and purchased some items there. And the stuff that I got, this was like a bulk item that you purchase. So the bulk that it came with are these here. So there were 2 mask boxes. You have the choice of a blue and a pink. So there's 2 of these right here. I got the pink, and I also got just getting it out of the box here. And with this, with 4 hand sanitizers, and these are 8 fluid ounce or 236 milliliter, just like that. And if you buy this, they also give you this for free with that part. So this is you can wear this as a belt bag, because there's a strap right here, or you can just hold it like a clutch bag like that. So on the outside, there are the zipper here at the front. As you can see, my hand fit in there just like that. And also there is a little pocket here with Velcro closure, or I'm assuming if you want to not use this, you can just put that in there so it's out of the way, but they are not removable though, as you can see right there. And on the inside, there are 2 zippers for closure inside it. There's compartments here. So there's 1 full one here, 2 right here, and they're pretty deep. As you can see, all my fingers are in there, along with this other one here. And there are credit card compartments here, or cards. There are 4 of them there, and a zippered compartment right here. Just like that. And on the other side, there is a mesh compartment with zipper, and it's like it's a diagonal zipper closure. Trying to find the little zipper thingy. Okay, there you go. And what I like about this also, as you can see, is that it's wider. So it's got the little seam right here, so you can open it wider. And you can put your mask in there, or put some of these as well in there, or put one in there, put it in your vehicle, and some of your mask. And I also got, okay, so with that was $79.97 plus 20% off, or minus 20% off with that $79.97. And I also purchased a reusable mask, which is, this one is $14.97 minus 20% off as well. So it looks like this. It's got their name right there on the side, and right here it's got a opening just like that. where put it on for you. Use it like that, where it covers your nose and your chin as well. And the elastics feel comfortable. It's not too tight on the back of my ears. Yeah. And there you go. And also with the purchase, whatever purchase you make, you get this for free. You get an eye mask, just like that. And you open it up. It's got 2 elastics there to wrap around, and a fleece line on the back part of it. And this is how the front looks, with the HEYS marking right there. And just so you get an idea, this is how it looks. Let's see, so it goes like that. Right there, you put it on. Boop. And the last thing that I purchased is this, or that came with it is this right here. It's a tag, name tag for your luggage, and it has the back with your name, address, city, state, and phone number. What I like to put is just my name and my phone number. So if you find this helpful and you're interested in purchasing it, go to heys.com or heys.ca and get the deal as well, the summer deal. If you find this helpful, subscribe and give it a like.